Okay, hey guys, today we're going to make a frosting for your Herbalife muffins and donuts. Usually donuts use the frosting. And of course, if you're using this as part of your weight loss plan or weight management plan, you don't want to use an actual frosting. So I'm going to show you how to make a really clean, really delicious frosting for your Herbalife snacks and shakes. And we're just going to use our protein drink mix. You can use any flavor. Today I'm going to use the vanilla. One of my favorites is the peanut cookie, makes a delicious frosting. And of course we also have chocolate, if chocolate is the thing for whatever it is that you're making. So we're going to start with 1 scoop of your protein drink mix for your frosting. Of course you could also use Formula 1 for the frosting if you want a different flavor. But the protein drink mix really makes a fantastic frosting. So 1 scoop of the protein drink mix, and then we're going to put in just enough water to make a paste and get it all wet and work out all the clumps. So small amount of water. Now we're going to stir this, move it around. Like I said, it's going to make more of like a paste first so we can get all of the powder incorporated and all of the clumps worked out. Careful not to add too much water all at once, because then you have to add more PDM to get it thick enough to be a frosting. Now once we got it all wet like this, you can see there's still some clumps in there. Just work those clumps up against the side of your dish to get them all worked out. All right, and here we go. And then depending on how soon you're going to be eating whatever you're putting this frosting on, this will kind of stand up and get a little firmer as it sits. So if it's going to be a little while, this is a great consistency. If you're going to be eating it right away and you want it to be a little bit firmer, just put a tiny bit more powder in there until it's exactly how you want it. But it will thicken up and get a little firmer as it sits. So this is your frosting.